Welcome to our training on safe welding, cutting, brazing, and other hot work. Introduction. Welding, cutting, and brazing are common activities at job sites in many industries. Because it is such a common activity, sometimes people forget about the dangers. Welding involves high temperatures and the potential for fire and explosion. There are also health hazards associated with the welding and cutting of various metal surfaces, such as galvanized metal, lead-painted surfaces, cadmium, and the like. The risk from fatal injuries alone is more than 4 deaths per 1,000 workers over a working lifetime. Therefore, care must be taken to ensure that work is performed safely. Always consult with your supervisor before starting projects involving new or unfamiliar materials. This course will introduce common hazards associated with welding, cutting, and brazing, and ways to prevent injury and damage.